Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Meadowbrook, the annual Festival of Lanterns was the most anticipated holiday of the year. The festival celebrates the end of winter and the arrival of spring, marked by colorful lanterns lighting up the night sky. Amelia, the village's keen-hearted librarian, was in charge of organizing the festival this year. She was known for her meticulous nature and her ability to make every event perfect. However, this year, an unexpected blizzard delayed the delivery of the lanterns. As the day of the festival approached, Amelia grew increasingly anxious. In the midst of her worries, Amelia received a visit from Mr. Thompson, the elderly man who owned the village's only general store. Mr. Thompson was tall and had a gentle, weathered face with a smile that seemed to carry years of wisdom. Amelia, my dear, he began, his voice soft and reassuring. I'm afraid there's been a mix-up. The shipment of lanterns was accidentally sent to Rivertown. Amelia's heart sank. She had promised the children that this year's festival would be the best one yet. She took a deep breath and smiled at Mr. Thompson. Thank you for letting me know, Mr. Thompson, she said, her voice steady but tinged with disappointment. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause you. I'll figure out a solution. Determined to keep her promise, Amelia decided to clarify the situation with the townsfolk. She gathered everyone in the village square, her green eyes glistening with resolve. Dear friends, she began, her voice clear and steady. I need to explain something important. Due to the blizzard, our lanterns were sent to the wrong village. I apologize for this unforeseen error, but I assure you, we will still have a wonderful celebration. The villagers, dressed in their winter coats and scarves, nodded understandingly. Mrs. Jenkins, a plump woman with rosy cheeks and a heartwarming smile, stepped forward. Amelia, we all know how hard you work. Why don't we make our own lanterns this year? It will be a new tradition. Amelia's face lit up with gratitude. Thank you, Mrs. Jenkins. That's a splendid idea. The village quickly turned into a bustling workshop. Children, their faces glowing with excitement, painted paper lanterns in vibrant colors. Parents cut out shapes and glued pieces together, creating a kaleidoscope of designs. The town square filled with laughter and chatter, the air buzzing with a sense of community and creativity. As night fell, Amelia looked around at the transformed village. The homemade lanterns, though simple, were beautiful and unique. She stood on the small stage in the center of the square and addressed the crowd. Thank you all for your incredible effort and spirit. This festival is truly special because of each one of you. When the lanterns were lit, they filled the sky with a mesmerizing array of colors and patterns. The villagers gasped in awe, their faces illuminated by the warm, flickering lights. The Festival of Lanterns became a night to remember, not just for its beauty, but for the unity and resilience of the people of Meadowbrook. Amelia realized that sometimes the best moments come from unexpected challenges and the heartfelt collaboration of a community. And so, each year after, the villagers of Meadowbrook continued to make their own lanterns, turning a simple mistake into a cherished tradition that brought them closer together.